And then you just see this dangling thing. Well,
I gotta
just
get on
imagine
you.
seeing the dangling thing right as that happens.
Shut up.
What do you mean,
I'm right
shut
behind
up,
you,
man?
fishy. Sweet. Alright. Look us up. Oh, perfect. I just hit the checkpoint. We're good. Alright. All are dead. Okay. This guy know him?
Is this a good run?
I don't know. Probably record. 303 kill.
Ooh, yeah, that's sub 4. That's sub 4.
Sweet.
Unless I'm wrong, but
I think
I
you're
really
right.
every time we get that, every time we get like a 340, it ends up to be like a 420 or a 4,819, 418. So I really feel like it's sub 4. That's probably sub 4. Is there anything you can do differently?
Maybe like 10 seconds. Okay. Honestly, it's time locked to me if Fishy's fast enough. So I don't have to wait for checkpoint. I didn't have
Fishy.
to wait.
We have other strat. It'll work. It'll save a second. Nah, but it'd work. It'd work.
It's either
Oh,
9 or
Oh,
4 flat.
Can we just never run